Hi everyone. Now that we've mastered Google Drive, we're here to learn about Pages. Pages are the backbone of your online Canvas class. It's a way to distill information, content, activities, directions to students, and keep them organized. So you're going to come over here to your left navigation bar, and at the bottom, you're going to see Pages. You're going to click on Pages, and this will bring you to the home screen. Now, Pages is set up to show you your first screen or your front screen, whatever the front page is of your course, meaning that's going to be the first page that students go to. But that's for another lesson. What we're looking for is just creating general pages for our students to access various lessons from. So you're going to click View All Pages in the top left corner, and then you're going to click Add Page over here on the right. Now, you can see it's alphabetized in from the names of all of your pages all the way down. So you can see pages currently that are in use. Those are in green. Pages that aren't in use, they're here crossed out in gray. But you would go ahead and click Create New Page. You want to title it something clear so the students know what you are talking about. And you can clearly communicate to them the title of the page when they're in the classroom, or if they're absent and they ask you what they missed, you can say, just go to Bacon's Rebellion is race fluid, or the fluidity of race, the story of Anthony Johnson. You can see some of the various pages that have already existed for me. That way, the students know exactly what you're talking about. So once you have a clear title, this is your content editor. Here you can post directions, you type, you can link to website URLs, you can link to Google and Google Docs, which, after the first video you watched, I hope you have, integrated your Google Drive, because I cannot stress how much easier your life will be integrating your Google Docs directly from your Google Drive, because that way every time you update a document in your Drive, it will automatically update it here on your page, or if you created an assignment or you've linked an announcement, it will be much, much easier for you. You can also insert YouTube videos directly. And then once you're done, you would click Save and Publish. You have to click Save and Publish in order for the students to see it. If it's still a work in progress, you're going to click Save. But let's go to a page that already exists for me so we can see what it might look like to the students. So here we have a page that's already created, a peculiar institution. I have my enduring understanding, essential questions, objectives. I also have the resources that will be used in class, in addition to videos I've linked directly there. Like I said, I use this as a method of lesson planning. That way, students who are absent have an understanding of not just the materials that were reviewed, but just how we use those materials in class and the order for which we use them in class. So that way they can really get an authentic experience, even though they weren't in the class itself. So now that you've gone through some of the basics on what pages are, why don't you try creating a page for yourself? Go ahead and read the directions that I've linked below in your Canvas course, and then create a page in your own course.